My name is Estefania Alba, and now I will talk about my challenge drinking 2 bottles of water. Okay, starting the challenge was difficult because before February 17 I was not used to drinking water, unless the amount of 2 bottles. Normally, I drank bottles of water from time to time, and I proposed to drink water daily was clearly complicated. The first 5 days of the challenge, I dedicated my time to boil water and prepare my bottles to go to the university, so that in the morning of the day I would drink from it, and by half day I will be drinking my second bottle of water. And like this picture, the next 5 days I decide to do a routine to manage my time, placing a space for the university and another to do a little exercise. So I will take more bottles of water and it will be better for the health of my body and to meet my challenge with something I like. But when I made that decision, I did not take my bottles to university, but only drank water in the afternoon. For the 15 days of the challenge, I continued doing my exercise routine until the end of the month, because the first days of March I had to reorganize my time as I had greater responsibilities in my university, at home and in my personal life. And something I forgot to drink my bottle of water so much that I had the support of my mother who remembered me and who ended up drinking water with me. At the beginning of the 20 days of the challenge, I felt that it was good to drink water every day because it helped my body not to feel tired. And besides that, the water is very important to hydrate us and improves different functions of the organism. In those days, I began to like water more than usual. I thought that I could not go out without my bottle of water and without having drunk enough to meet my challenge. And in the 25 days of the challenge, I did not do exercise routine, but only put my time to perform the tasks of the university. So for me, it became accustomed to drink the bottles of water in the afternoon. In this case, it took me longer to finish a bottle of water than it took me days ago. Like this picture, to finish my 30-day challenge, the last 5 days I was obedient, taking my 2 bottles of water and taking evidence that I was serving my purpose. Now I'm happy to have done this challenge because I feel that my body is healthier and that I thought it was only a challenge. Now I continue doing it. I continue drinking my 2 bottles of water daily and even more. I usually take them in the afternoon hours while I do my craft at home or while I do my homework at university. And to conclude, I leave myself as a teaching that when one prepares something, can fulfill it. Clearly, if you dedicate all the effort to achieve it. And thank you for your attention. Goodbye.